Hello, you guys. It's the weekend. It's cold outside. It's snowing. I gotta find something to keep us busy to do as a family this weekend, so stay tuned and see what we get up to. Leave a comment below if this is the kind of weather you'd like to spend your weekend in. All right, that drive was horrendous. I thought we'd be vlogging more of the way, but let me show you what we were driving through.
What do you think of these roads?
They're not great. Oh my gosh. We're taking a quick meal break before we continue our night, but let's all talk about how it's a Vlogmas miracle that we made it here. Everyone say Vlogmas miracle.
Vlogmas miracle.
Well, I'm happy that we're still alive. What does it say about me that I think Carl's Jr. has made a nicer tree than me just to get me to drown my sorrows in their milkshakes? It worked. It's perfect and I'm jealous and I'm taking it home.
You smell like Carl's Jr. It's coming out of my pores.
Do we need some time just to chill and then pool, or you guys want to pool and get the pool out of the way?
Pool and get the pool out of the way.
Okay. You didn't bring a hot towel?
I didn't bring a hot towel.
I see. Okay. You two fart makers are changed. We're ready to go make some bubbles in the pool?
Ground?
Yeah, you can be grounded.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, it's a fire looking pool. All right, you guys. So the kids are chilling in the pool at the hotel here. And I realized that I did a terrible job of explaining what we were doing this morning. So our goal this weekend is we're gonna have a fun weekend out of the cold. So the first stop was taking a trip, staying in a hotel, getting in this pool so we can pretend we're somewhere tropical and warm. And then hopefully tomorrow we will do some tubing, which I realize is not a warm activity, but we gotta work with what we gotta work with. So come along with us and hope you enjoy it.
Press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button. Okay, 3.
Okay, never asked for that.
It's like we're in The Shining or on Star Trek.
I've never seen a show or Star Trek.
What? You never seen Star Trek?
No.
Oh, it's nice in here. I knew it was Team Flare
Wait.
the whole time.
Team Flair's always the bad guy.
Ugh, it looks cold outside. Oh, no frills. Everyone say Vlogmas breakfast.
Vlogmas breakfast.
Unless the elevator fails and we're trapped in here.
Unless the elevator fails and we're trapped in here.
All right, I'm starting to take these Christmas trees personally. Look what Denny's done to me. They even put presents underneath. Slow pour. How's your breakfast burger?
Amazing.
Oh, good. You're saying I had egg in my beard? Yeah. And you didn't tell me the whole time?
Well, it was on the other side of your face.
You're dead to me.
Your recordings.
Oh, shoot, I'll have to go back and see that. Edit, edit, edit. Almost ready to get back on the road. Are you all packed up? He said no. Okay, let's grab something warm for the road. You want tea or you want coffee? You want an extra large dark coffee?
Yes.
Okay, you guys ready to hit the road?
No.
Let's do this. Nice. What a difference just crossing one mountain range makes for the driving. This is so much easier and nicer than yesterday's death drive. Okay, you guys refilling the fart cannons with these burritos?
Yeah.
All right, the fart cannons are refilled. Let's get back on the road and have some more fun. No farting in the vehicle. These sandwiches are gonna be fire.
I don't know how to open this.
Are they Yum City?
I haven't tried it yet.
Not the answer I was looking for the vlog. Yum City?
Mm-hmm.
Our lunchtime sandwiches were delicious, but we still have time to do some last minute Christmas shopping. I ask myself this when I see you every morning. Boys, you're getting hot chocolate. I'm getting coffee. I need it. I'm tired. Looks like
The cups are better than the hot chocolate.
I wanted whipped cream, but it's not dripping down your hand, so I'm confused.
Very good.
How's everybody's nappies?
Good. How was yours?
Good. We're all refreshed. We're ready for tube time.
Yeah.
You don't want to just stay in the car and just sleep for a few more hours?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go tubing without you. Everybody's ready to go tubing?
Yeah.
Yay! It's beautiful out tonight. Nice and warm, -6. And there's a cute little Christmas village back there. We hold on to our tubes and we step on this moving escalator. It's like one of the things you see in an airport, but it's going up the hill. And then the lifties are gonna send us down on the tubes either by ourselves or in groups like this. They're going good. Oh boy.
Want to clean me up?
Yeah, we'll take you
Right,
with
go
us.
this way.
Thank you.
It's okay.
You guys got away from me. Oh no. No, go get me. Don't get me. Where'd you come from?
Heaven.
Oh.
You guys want to have a big spin or what?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go.
He disappeared.
3, 2, 1, go.
And I just noticed, thank goodness for snow pants, because if without them, I would be soaked right now. All right, the day is over and the boys are bringing our tubes back, but of course they've got to do a trick first because they can't just put them away normal. And then we're gonna get back to the truck, get changed, and head back home. This was a really fun night on the mountain. Uh-oh. Log bomb. Log bomb 2. Oh boy, oh gosh.
Can I tackle into the snow?
No. No. King of the hill. Oh boy. Oh, neither of them are the king. They both failed epically. Oh boy. I'm watching. I'm watching. Oh, not bad, ninja.